Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we will study about go-to statement and typecasting in C language. Now, the go-to statement is known as jump statement in C language. In other words, we can say that if you want to go from one part to another part of a program by skipping some portion, we can use go to statement. What a go to does, go to is used to transfer the program control to a predefined label. Now, the go to statement can be used to repeat some part of the code for a particular condition. Now, the go to can also be used with break statement so that multiple loops which cannot be done by using a single break statement is executed. Now, go to is avoided because it is very complicated. Now, the syntax for using the go to statement is given by, we have to use label, we have to write code here, and go to is defined and the label is mentioned here. So this is the syntax to use a go to statement. Now let us write a program. With the help of that we can understand the go to statement. First of all, include a file, that is standard input output header file. After that, create a main function. Inside the main function, take two variables, one is num and I is initialized to 1. Now printf, enter the number whose table you want to print. Now scanf percentile d address of num. Now the goto is defined, that is table, then printf percentile d multiplied by percentile d is equal to percentile d slash n. We have to pass number, we have to pass I, then num multiply I. Then we have incremented this one I plus plus. If I is less than equal to 10, then go to table. So this is the goto statement and this is the label. The control will transfer to the label and this part will be executed and you will get the desired table of a particular number. Now let us take another topic that is known as typecasting. So what do you mean by typecasting? Typecasting is a way by which we can convert a data type to another type. For example, we can convert integer to short, we can convert double to float. Now the syntax to typecast is we have to pass the type and after that we have to give the value or expression. For example, if you want to convert a double value, for example, we have a float f is equal to float 9 upon 4. So here the answer will come in float instead of double. Thank you very much.